Alright, you guys, what's up? So I finally fixed the lighting. So I'm excited. I prepared my shirt, so hopefully the background shows you what I'm about to film today. So I went to Albertsons and got prepared my little, Starbucks. Excited. I'm gonna try to create one of the characters that I've been wanting to do, and it's Pennywise, my virgin. So we'll see how that goes. I don't have anything planned, so let's see this freestyle how it comes out. I already shaved my brows right here because we're coming out crazy. So we're gonna jump on it. We're gonna go with my the light is okay. My Mectron Cinwax. I'm gonna kind of put some. It's gonna hurt, but okay, whatever. Gonna put some in my eyebrows, very little. I'm gonna go with my Airspun. I'm just gonna kind of cover them up. I mean, if you don't have this, you can also go with the baby powder as well. I got this one at Spirit Halloween, so I'm gonna try this teeth right here. They're regular originally for the pumpkin, but I'm just gonna cut the this right here that you stick up. I'm gonna leave very little so I can put them on with the wax. I'm gonna go in with a regular pencil, a white one, and just kind of outline. Since the red lines kind of go like this, I'm gonna stop to right here. So I'm just gonna kind of. Okay, so we're gonna dip it into this brand new white that I bought a few days ago. So I was like, no, a few actually weeks ago, because I was like, I already got booked, so I need to have my clients ready for when they come. And let's see how this goes. My primer on white from NYX. I'm excited, you guys, because I don't know how this is going to turn out, okay? So bear with me. And then with a white eyeliner pencil, this one I got out from the dollar store. I'm just going to I'm going to color my waterline. And with my Morphine 12 Picasso palette, and I'm going to dip it into that black one. This one's supposed to be blue, but it's showing black. So the background, I mean, it's green screen, so... So there you go. Okay. Go kind of crazy on it because, I mean, he's not perfect. So now that the red was kind of show, it's not really red, it shows pink. And then just to make it a little bit dark right here, the eyelids. And then start like bringing it up and down. All you're going to do is just tap so that way it can show like that, gives you that creepy look. These brushes are so freaking smooth. This is awesome. And look how many paint like you get. I'm gonna kind of do like the little gums with the Cinwax. So I'll be back with you guys because it might take a kind of like a while. So let me just do it outside, and then I already have a piece ready, which is this one. So I'm just gonna kind of roll it, thicken it, and I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild paint palette in this one right here. We're gonna go in with this black one. Oh, it's any white. Okay, so we're gonna get a very fine brush like this. Let's get this fine one. Very, very, very fine. Kind of start tracing like the lines. And then to kind of make them a little bit translucent, we're gonna get, sounds funny because it's just grabbing my nose. So we're just gonna kind of start tapping black and just kind of like making it look like if it's dirty. Alright, you guys, and then you guys have it, this creepy clown. Just put on this wig. I was supposed to do a Pennywise, but it didn't come out. Oh, it's hard to breathe. Okay, and it didn't came out, so epic fail. So you guys have it. This is a creepy clown for you guys. It's very scary actually. So I just freestyle. I got a little bit of the Pennywise, but not really. So anyways, guys, if you guys wanna put a like on this, go ahead and feel free. So guys, thank you for watching. That's all, you guys. Have a wonderful day and stay looking scary, guys. Thank you once again. Love you all so much for the loves that you guys have shown me on Instagram and as well as Facebook. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned for my next look. This is not the look that I was trying to do. It was a surprise because I wanted something creepy, like very creepy, intense. In here, I know that it looks a little too perfect. You can kind of like just blend this right here. So that's it, you guys. This is a look. I wanted something very creepy, very dramatic, very over the top. So I wanted to see if I could step on my game. So I mean, it's okay, right? It's not too much that I think. So I had okay fun, not too much fun, because it was like everything was just coming out. One thing will come out wrong, the other one will be like, oh my gosh, everything was falling. So yes, you guys, make sure you subscribe, guys, and hit a likes to this look and comment on it, you guys. Whatever you guys wanna, comment. And love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah. So I put on some context for you guys to make it look a little bit more dramatic. You can really tell the eyes, but that's it for that look, guys. Now officially I'm leaving. So hopefully you guys love this look. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and show us some love, guys. Thank you. It wasn't my best, but it's something scary, right? So alrighty, guys, thank you, love you, bye. Hugs and kisses, bye bye.